Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this dahi sandwich. If you have a leftover bread, you don't know what to do for dinner or lunch, this is a great recipe. It has loads of vegetables, the kids will love it. To start off here, I have a hung curd. If you don't know how to make a hung curd, it's so easy. You take a strainer or a kitchen towel just like that and you put the yogurt in it and let it sit for a couple hours. Even overnight would work great. That way you get nice and thick yogurt, thick hung curd. Now you can see all the water has come out and then this is what left behind. This is the hung curd. So you can easily make it at home. Now to a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of hung curd. To this we are going to add loads of vegetables. To start off here, I have 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onions. You can use white onions if you like. 1/4 cup of green peppers or any other vegetables of your choice. 1/4 cup of tomato that is seeded. We don't want any kind of seed because it leaves moist in it. 1/4 cup of orange bell peppers. 1/4 cup of corn that I've already boiled it. 4 tablespoons coriander finely chopped. 1 cup of mozzarella cheese or a processed cheese. It's totally up to you. Salt as needed. 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. 1/2 teaspoon chili powder or chili flakes or even green chili finely chopped would work. Now go ahead and mix it. If you plan to add carrots, just grate them and then add them. Now here I have a bread that I'm using a brown bread, but you can use definitely white bread, sandwich bread or full grain bread. Totally up to you. The first method, I'm going to add the butter on top of the bread and then flip it over on the other side. Now we are going to add 2 full tablespoons of dahi mixture and go ahead and spread it. Now go ahead and cover this. Now go ahead and add the other slice of the bread on top. Now continue to do this with the rest of the bread. There is another method you can make is without adding the butter on it. Just add the mixture, cover the bread slice on the top of the dahi, and when you actually prepare the toast on the tawa, then you can add the butter on the tawa directly and then you can add the sandwich. So either way it's okay because my butter is not really melted, soft I mean. So that case I'm going to add the butter on the tawa directly and then the bread slice, the sandwich that we prepared. Now I'm going to add some butter on top before I flip it and then go ahead and cook it for couple minutes until it's nice and brown and nice and crispy from outside. And also you can cover this sandwich for a couple seconds, around 20 seconds, so that the steam cooks through the vegetable inside, so the vegetable is not raw. Now I'm going to show you the second bread. I'm going to do the same. Apply the butter on top before you flip it over. Now I'm going to cover this for 20 seconds so that the vegetable gets nice the steam inside and so it's not raw. It's still crunchy but it cooked through. Now I'm going to remove this and set it aside. As you can see, the bread is nice and crispy from outside and inside it's loads of vegetable with this nice curd and all these flavors, and you can serve this with nice chutney, ketchup. The kids will love it. It's super easy, super nice evening snack or even for the dinner. If you have leftover breads, this is a great recipe and you don't have to look for any special ingredients. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe below. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.